how to log out of your Bybit app on your mobile phone. Bybit is a crypto trading app where you can trade cryptos. So let's see how you can log out from your account. So first thing you want to do is launch your application, and as you can see I'm already logged into my account. So on your home page you want to tap on your profile at the top left. It will open up your profile settings, and you can see your user ID and your username, everything right here. Now in order to log out, what you want to do is tap on this gear icon at the top right. It will open up your settings, and what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you see the logout option. So just tap on logout. You can enable your biometrics for easier login for next time, but I'm not going to do that right now. So it will ask you to confirm your logout. Tap on confirm, and now you are logged out of your account. As you can see, you have an option to log in or sign up. That means you have been logged out of your account. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.